Today, let's learn an important Korean grammar point, 있어요 and 없어요. Meaning, 있어요 means there is or I have. 없어요 means there is not or I don't have. How it's used. We use 있어요 and 없어요 to talk about existence and possession. When we talk about having something, we use noun plus 이가 있어요. When we talk about not having something, we use noun plus 이가 없어요. To say something exists in a place, we use place plus 에 plus 있어요, 없어요. Examples, 10 sentences using 있어요. 책이 있어요. I have a book. 돈이 있어요. I have money. 친구가 있어요. I have a friend. 시간이 있어요. I have time. 물 있어요. There is water. 방에 의자가 있어요. There is a chair in the room. 가방 안에 책이 있어요. There is a book in the bag. 집에 고양이가 있어요. There is a cat at home. 오늘 수업이 있어요. There is a class today. 문제 있어요. There is a problem. 10 sentences using 없어요. 돈이 없어요. I don't have money. 시간이 없어요. I don't have time. 차가 없어요. I don't have a car. 친구가 없어요. I don't have a friend. 물 없어요. There is no water. 방에 사람이 없어요. There is no one in the room. 가방이 없어요. I don't have a bag. 집에 텔레비전이 없어요. There is no TV at home. 오늘 수업이 없어요. There is no class today. 문제 없어요. There is no problem.
For more videos, follow my channel, Korean Pen.